Hello everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just coming live to XRP. Once again, thank you for your support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid cruise. So there is a bit of a pattern that XRP may be forming. Okay, I'm going to go through that with you. I've relayed this to the CoinsKid crew already. They do get my real-time updates in the Discord right there. And obviously, you know, with the videos, a bit hit and miss because I'm very busy. It's the time of year and things like that. And, you know, it's just when the market's a bit boring, a bit crabby, there's not really that much to talk about. But as we do start to see the price mature and the price structure develop, certain patterns do begin to emerge. So there is a potential pattern that's emerging right now for XRP, so stay tuned for that. I'll discuss that later in the video, but I just want to relay to you the crypto blocks that I created for yourselves earlier in the month, early in November. I did release it to the CoinsKid crew on the 3rd of the 11th. Look at that. Basically, it's a simple tool on our site that I created to help you trade crypto. I've shown you in multiple XRP and Bitcoin updates how to use the crypto blocks tool that this member was paying attention. Happy trading, CoinsKid crew. So basically, I got a message of a guy I follow called Alex way back on the, I think it was a couple of days ago. Hi mate, sign back up and using your blocks tool like a boss. Great, easy to use indicator, taking my account from 5k to 12k in a couple of weeks. So I actually think it's an amazing indicator. I'm still developing it, still got ideas for it. At the moment it's a micro indicator. It was one of the tweets that I did a couple of days ago. What are we today? We're on the 28th today. So I think it was the 26th I relayed this. Yeah, on the 26th, it was a couple of days ago. We saw that, you know, retracement, that pullback in XRP and Bitcoin, so on and so forth. And I did tweet, it's almost time to long this market again. Bitcoin, XRP, crypto. Basically, if you take a look at the crypto blocks right there, we was pulling back. We've got the BTC pushing towards 30, USD pushing towards 70, which is a key metric to keep an eye on for your spot bids and long bids. There's a how to use guide on the crypto blocks, okay? Just follow that guide. And what we've got is Bitcoin flashing a worry signal. And we've got this coin here going dark green. We've got multiple light greens and dark greens. They were opportunities. And so far, they've come up off that particular opportunity. So again, it's just a sentiment, micro sentiment based tool. Go to CoinsKid.com, go to how to use section, look into it, and happy trading. Really, really simple, okay? Let's dive into the XRP chart right now to see what we can see. Now, we may have completed an ABC correction. I'm going to go through that with you in the charts today, but want to see one thing going forward. I need to see this chart, which is a total chart. I need to see it break out this little resistance just there, because technically at the moment, if we take a look at this, we've hit this resistance and we may be in some kind of ABC correction on the total chart, which is the entire cryptocurrency market cap, where we've had this run, we've had this low, we've got this lower high, and then we're looking to C wave down in a correction, basically complete an ABC correction, which is typical. You know, we come up, we go sideways, we have some kind of correction before continuation. Now, my upper levels of resistance where I expect us to get to in this crypto market cap is the 1.272 fib, which is roughly from this point right now, it is roughly around about 11.62% away, and then the 1414, which is around about 4.35 trillion, which is 33% away, and the 1.618, which is around about 5.63 trillion, which is a 73% move in the entire cryptocurrency market cap going forward. So I'm looking at a couple of scenarios with XRP. One is the correction's already in, and the other one obviously is the correction's not in. So I'll go through that with you and what we need to see in the charts today to, you know, for look to the continuation and be extremely bullish, or obviously look to set our bids lower for them long ops right there. Now, I have took profit on my long ops. I'm not swinging XRP. I do think it's too dangerous to swing at this point. I relay that to you. I do need to see a little bit more structure in order to swing and take profit on my spot positions, but I am out of my long positions on XRP. I've paid myself, and I've relayed this in the CoinsKid crew Discord right there. So I'm just be patient. I'm just waiting to see what this market offers me going forward and the structure that we create for XRP. So typically, you know, what we've been doing here, if you take a look, since July, we run up, we correct into the month, run up into, I think it was August, we correct into September, run up in September, correct into October, run up in October, correct into November, and right now we're doing something very similar. We're running up with a potential correction as we roll into November. So be careful, you know, if you're looking to long XRP at these levels, you know, you may have a clue in the total chart right now that that is not a good idea, because typically, you know, we roll in to the month with a correction, as you can see. So just be careful. The previous data points may be warning us, you know, last 4 months we rolled into a correction. So just be careful if you are looking to long XRP at this point. Just have a really tight stop loss, and if you are going to do that, I'll show you exactly where I would have that stop loss to invalidate this trade going long at this point if that's what you're deciding to do. But I just need to see more structure. I need to see a breakout here on XRP in order to entertain a macro long position again on XRP. I have been jumping into little micro trades, and I'll show you how to find them in today's video. You can use the crypto blocks. I did relay this in the Twitter crew the other day and the Discord crew. You know, the crypto blocks on CoinsKid.com, they're micro trades. They're in and out, hourly, daily trades, in and out. Now my macro long on XRP, I need to see a little bit more structure here going forward. Let me show you exactly what it is, okay? So look at XRP on the hourly time frame at the moment. We have seen a massive 5-wave move up on XRP, haven't we? And this is why at this point I'm taking profit. You know, a lot of people remain in longs and things like that, but we've done incredibly well on XRP. And like I said to you, I've been looking at rotating some of the profits into other coins, sand and things like that over the weekend. Amazing. You know, so always get paid. This is always what I relay to you in the channel. Stop stopping in positions and then they roll over and you're losing money. You know, 5 waves up, pay yourself, job done. 5 waves down, you know, pay yourself if you're short. Really, really simple. So basically what we've got here, there's a couple of scenarios. I'm looking at the potential that the correction's already in. So we've got a 5-wave move down, which was the A 3-wave move back up, which is a B, and a 3-wave move back, which is basically the C. It's an expanded flat correction. It's a zigzag, A, B, C zigzag, and it was a rough 20, I think it was around about 22% correction that's completed just there. Okay, so that's it. Your correction's in, and right now you're looking at impulsive, corrective, impulsive move to break out. So if this is indeed the correction, you should be looking at something like this: 1 into a 2 into a 3 that breaks out. Okay, 4, 5, so on and so forth. And this is a brand new impulsive move which is formed off this corrective low. So that is exactly where you should have your stop loss. If that's the correction in, okay, and you've got basically a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setup, which is your A, your 3-wave B, your 3-wave C, this would be the emergence of a new impulsive move. So this would, in theory, really simple, just respecting the laws of Elliott wave, that would be your stop loss if you are in any longs. But as you can clearly see right now, if you are long at that point, then it's a 12.5% loss if you jump it into longs at this point. It's a very high risk trade. So I would just be patient and wait, because technically we still could be caught in a correction. Absolutely possible. Absolutely. This is the A, this is the B, this is the C. Again, there's no guarantees. But what I want to see to get incredibly bearish and look for, you know, bids lower and look for a short opportunity is losing this low, and then obviously breaking this resistance. I think is a very incredibly bullish statement from XRP. So until the meantime, you're range bound. You know, you're going sideways. You're caught in a range like we're there, going sideways. Eventually, you know, you build up momentum, high low structure, lower high structure, boom boom, get compression, lead to expansion. This is a beautiful bull pennant which we traded. It was in the Discord, and we broke out. You know, stop loss, pivot low, fantastic trade, very minimal risk trade. It's not a 12% risk. It was around about 0.2% or something like that. It was very minimal risk. Boom, breakout, see you later, technical target met, get paid, job done. And this is what I try and do on the channel. So at the minute, if you're jumping into any longs or shorts or whatever, you know, it's a bit degenerate. So just be patient. I'll try and keep you updated with the trade as and when I spot it, but possibly from left to right, we are creating an ascending triangle. And like I said to you, if this is the bottom right now, there's your low, resistance, high low, resistance. We should create a third higher low and break on a third point resistance, and then we've got the ascending triangle reversal pattern at this low, which is a reversal, technical reversal pattern. Amazing. But until that day comes, I just think this is a no trade zone for me. There's in and out micro trades using the crypto blocks, which is what I designed it for, little, you know, hourly ins and outs and things like that. You see it overbought, you see it red, go short, you see it yellow, dark green and things like that, go long. Really, really simple. So keep an eye on the crypto blocks. It may be offering you micro trades going forward, but a macro trade, I'm going to be patient here. I'm going to wait for a break of structure, you know, for this correction that we're going through. I'll update you as quickly as I see the trade in the Discord right there. Hope you understand the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to a new update on XRP. Bye bye.